Hello there, kids and parents. Welcome back to the Early Learners Academy. Today, we're going to learn the sounds of the consonants, part 2. And these letters would be H, J, K, L, M, and N. Let's begin with the letter H. This is big H, and this is small h, and the sound of H is H. Let's do it together. H, H, H. Horse. H, H, H. House. H, H, H. Hearts. Letter J. This is big J, and this is small j, and the sound of J is J. J, J, J. Jacket. J, J, J. Juice. J, J, J. Jumping rope. Letter K. This is big K, and this is small k, and the sound of K is K, just like letter C. K, K, K. Kite. K, K, K. Kangaroo. K, K, K. King. This is letter L. This is big L, and this is small l, and the sound of L is L, 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 L. Lips. L, L, L. Lion. L, L, L. Leaves. This is big letter M, and this is small m, and the sound of M is M, 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 M. Monkey. M, M, M. Moon. M, M, M. Mouse. This is letter N. This is big N, and this is small n, and the sound of N is N, 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 N. Nose. N, N, N. Nest. N, N, N. Numbers. Now let's do a recap of the consonants that we have learned today. H, house. H, heart. H, horse. J, jellyfish. J, juice. J, jacket. J, jump rope. K, koala. K, kite. K, kangaroo. K, king. L, lion. L, lollipop. L, lips. L, leaves. M, moon. M, mouse. M, monkey. M, milk. N, nest. N, nose. N, numbers. N, nails. Well done!